Hi guys, welcome my new videos. I'm Prince PK. So I in Singapore quite a long time, and people they come to my place. Actually, I'm hotelier. So many tourists they come to my place. They ask, "What is good in Singapore?" I say everything good. See, but you can't see everything in Singapore. So I thought, why don't make a specific video on specific places, and I tell you about the place as well. So right now I'm gonna come out from my home and I'm going to uh, bus stop, which is just below my block. So once I reach, I'll show you. I'm going out now, and Singapore is very nice, a very unique country actually. And credit goes to father of Mr. Lee Kuan Yew. He made Singapore actually. He had vision, wide vision. So you can say it's a man-made country. It has own history, and yes, it's very good, no doubt. So I'm taking leave. So now I come out from the lift, and I'm going to the bus stop, which is really just 1 minute away from my block. Yeah. So now I see the people are waiting in bus stop as well, and this place is so nice. I'm blessed to have this place actually. My house and this place really so nice. Now I'm going to catch bus number 32, which is straight away goes to near Clarke Quay. Now my bus is coming, so once I board in the bus I will off the phone, and then once I reach there I'll show you the place. Today I'm at Clarke Quay. It's one of the most visited place in Singapore. You can say it's a CBD area, Central Business District. So this area is usually famous for the hangout, nightlife, have good restaurants, everything. This place, and it's a lunchtime. It's not very crowded. Today is Sunday also, so not very crowded. But yes, it's, so many people are there. So now you can see, I show you the things later. People are here. There's a bungee jump also. I show you one. So you can see the people, the restaurants. Yes, and nearby there is a bungee jump. It's mostly they operate in the evening only. The slingshot as well. In front you can see Marina Bay. You can see the Marina Bay. This side, river walk to there's Clarke Quay Central, the river all the way. You can see that there are a lot of restaurants are there. So it's very nice, really nice. So this slingshot usually they operate in the evening. Some instructions inside. And it's good. So people usually they walk through their pets. They have some subtle instructions for the pets. Gentle reminder. Pets must be listed at all times. Please consider and clean up after you open. The man will not be liable for any incident, damages, or injuries sustained by users or their pets. Okay, to move forward, we go through the riverside. It's very nice, very calm, windy, and there is one tunnel also because there is road. It's very difficult to cross. You can see the tunnel is going on. We go through other side, and usually Singapore, usually the tunnel is not very attractive, but here I show you, really people they make so nice. They paint their own, but then sometimes I see they have competition to paint the wall, or maybe they show their art skill. I show you, it's a you can see how the people they paint with a boat wall actually. This is one side. It's really super good. come here, you can't feel that, oh, it's just a boring tunnel. It's not boring tunnel, but if you have good picture, you can take a shots here. All the way is really nice. And also, is a similar that right side on the boat. Left side also have something there. So this is my left side. Go my right side. So this is the tunnel. All the way. It's very nice. So good actually. We show the Singapore culture, old buildings, early life of Singapore. Because Boat Quay and Clarke Quay usually they know for the business district means it's a trading hub actually. So these pictures actually show the early life. You see the Mr. Raffles and Stewart when they first arrived in Singapore. So the people are imagining that how we did the picture. Okay, now we moving forward. We go up to the town and then it's very hot. So when you come this time, maybe you can have an umbrella. It's really super good. So I'm coming up from the tunnel, we go up here. Cyclists are there, a lot of cyclists are there actually. Sometimes they pass, some people jogging, walking. So for now I'm come out from the tunnel. Here people can see they're walking also, jogging also. So now I will show you one more monuments, historical monuments for you. For the time being, see you next time. I'll show you later. Thank you.